Hello, Tim Romero here, and in this host control panel training I'm going to show you how to create video postcards, video email, video postcards. Pretty cool feature and function in here. And to start, you're going to first log into your host control panel, go to the video postcards tab, and you have a couple of options here. You can either record right from your webcam or you can import a pre-existing video. So we're going to show you how to record from your webcam in this tutorial. And we start by clicking that link, and then as long as your webcam's working properly and you got it plugged in and you've tested it, then up will come this screen. Now up here is something really cool. It's actually a teleprompter, and if you'd like to go off of a script, I just have some stuff I'm going to copy and paste into there just real quick to show you how it works. You can replace this text with your own text, obviously, and then you scroll up, start record, and as you can see the text above is scrolling, so pretty cool. So if you're not quite sure what you're going to say, or if you want to go off a script, or if you have some certain aspects that you want to make sure you get across in your script, well, you can do that. So pretty cool. We got and you can just copy and paste right there from a notepad, or you can type it in while you're in here. I recommend copy and paste. So you'll see me do a lot of that. Anyhow, so I'm recording this right now. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing on the preview. Don't worry about that. Once you're done with your recording, you just click stop recording. Okay, and then what you can do is play back your video to make sure that it worked okay. I'm going to go ahead and just play a little bit of this for you. Start record, and as you can see, the text above is scrolling, so pretty cool. So if you're not quite sure what you're going to say, if you want to go off the script, or if you have some certain aspects that you want to make sure you get across in your script, well, you can do that. So pretty cool. We got and you can just copy and paste right there from a notepad, or you can type it in while you're in here. I recommend copy and paste. So you'll see me do a lot. You can see right here where the time is elapsing to show you how long your actual video length is. Don't worry about that. I'm going to go ahead and turn my speakers down so that's not coming back through. But there's your elapsed time, so you can keep track of how long your videos are. Right here is where you save your video. Now once you're finished with your recording or your upload, then the first thing you're going to want to do is give your project a name. So I've created some several tests in here, so I'm just going to call this test postcard Tim. Okay, and this is not something that your prospects or customers are going to see. This is just for your internal use, because once you save these, you'll be able to come back and use them over and over again and edit them, etc., etc. So the first thing you want to do is name your project, and then what you can do here in step 2 is select a background image. Okay, this is just one of the default ones, or you can upload your own image if you've got a postcard design. If you want to upload one, you just want to make sure that it's 817 pixels wide by 585 pixels high. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of ours. This one, the default one is just this blank blue one. I'm going to actually be using that for this demonstration, but I did want to show you that there are several different templates to choose from. Okay, you'll notice some of these have text on them. Okay, and I mention that because depending on the template you use, some of them have text, some of them are just completely blank. Let me try. There's another blank one right there. The reason I mention that is because in step 3, or one of the next steps, you'll have the opportunity to upload a banner if you'd like to have a banner and have a hyperlink up here. So you want to make sure, if you're planning on using a banner, that you select a template that doesn't have any text up here, otherwise it'll cover over the text. So in this instance, I'm just going to go ahead and use this blank one because I am going to be showing you how to upload that banner. So we're just going to go ahead and pick this plain old blue background template, and then this next step, section 3, this is where you can add a banner. Now you don't have to add a banner, you can say I don't want to use a banner, or you can select from our pre-existing banners, okay, that are down here, or you can upload your own banner. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to use my own banner, okay? And then if you select that, then you're going to have the opportunity to click on this browse button, and then that'll take you out to your computer hard drive. And I actually have a banner postcard, or postcard banner I created. And just so you know, the dimensions of your banner, should you choose to upload one, are going to be 468 pixels wide by 60 pixels high, okay? And that's one of the standard banner sizes. So if you don't have a graphic artist or don't know how to make a banner, there's plenty of online services out there that'll allow you to create banners. And again, this 468 by 60 is one of the very standard banner sizes. So once I've selected my banner I want to upload, then I can actually hyperlink that banner. So obviously if you're using a banner, you probably have a call to action. You want people to click on that banner. And in this case, this is a free trial banner. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that URL, copy and paste right there. So when someone clicks on the banner, it'll go out to my free trial page where they can sign up. This next section is where you're going to basically personalize your message. So the title area, I'm just going to show you this in context. This is the title area. And you can actually select the font. This is basically what's going to show up on the top right side of your postcard, well below where the stamp would be, okay? Now you can also change this title text color right over here, and just for demonstration purposes I'm just going to pick that one real quick. And this personal message, now this is where you're underneath the title area where you're going to put any relevant information you want. And I actually have some information here. Like I said, I like to copy and paste. The reason I'm showing this to you again is because you want to make sure that you keep this at 300 characters max. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that. Okay, you can have up to 300 characters, and you can include HTML. Okay, so you can create hyperlinks, add images, and so on. And the reason I decided to go ahead and pre-create this is because I do have some HTML there, so for demonstration purposes. And also you can change your font color here. I'm just going to leave this alone. The default color is black. And then right here, this is kind of cool. If you'd like, for when someone visits your video postcard page, if you would like the video to automatically start playing once they get there, you can check this box. I'm going to leave it unchecked because I want to talk about this next step down here, where you can either use this is the default image, okay, that people will see to click and play the video. But if you'd like to upload your own, you can do that right here. Okay, I want to upload my own, and then once again, just like the banner in the background, you'd have the opportunity to upload your own play button here. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and just leave that alone with our default. And then this is a pretty cool step 6 here. If you've uploaded your own, background, etc., your own banner, and you've customized your own template specific to your company, then you would like to use that basically the same settings over and over again, you can check this box and save it as a template, as your default template. That way you won't have to come back in and do this over and over again. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that unchecked for now. And once we're done with all these settings, we're going to go ahead and click here, Save Video Postcard. And that'll bring us back to your video postcard page. And as you can see, here's that postcard I just created. Here is the hyperlink where I can copy and paste that and put it into an email, send it out to my email list. I can put it up on Facebook, wherever I want. This preview is essentially this same link. So you can also click on preview, and here's that postcard that we just made. And again, right here is the hyperlink. So you can either grab it, by opening the preview, or you can grab it from there. Now let's just review what we did here. here's that banner I uploaded. If I click on that, it opens in a new tab. It's going out to where people can sign up for my free trial. Right here is that title area I was talking about, and this is the personal message area. Okay, and as you can see right here, I'm not going to click on it right now, but when I mouse over, that has become a hyperlink, and it's just a link that says like us on Facebook. Click here, and here is the click to play. And I've got my speakers down, so I know you can't hear that coming through, but that's the video that I just recorded during this demonstration. So play around with it. It's pretty neat. Nice little function. It is included with all web meeting rooms of 25 users and higher. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. And by the way, if you create some video postcards and you'd like to send me some of your samples, I will gladly link to them on my website, or send them out, or use them as testimonials, etc. So please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions, and if you'd like us to review some of your video postcards you're making, that would be pretty awesome. So thank you so much for listening, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.